Hey everybody, and welcome. Today we are here in Nashville, Tennessee. Now Nashville's known for a lot of things, including country music, an NFL team that has never won a Super Bowl, and hot chicken. So today we're getting ready to take you along with us to
Prince's Hot Chicken.
Here's a look at the menu at Prince's Chicken. While there were no paper menus, the menu is clearly displayed on two TV screens. So we will slow down the video here so you can take a look at the TV screen as well as the 8 different flavors of Nashville Hot that they have available. Henry, what do you got there, buddy?
I got macaroni with chicken and with Coke pickles and with fries and with a sweet.
With a sweet tea, that sounds good. And Gentry, what'd you end up getting, bud?
I'm playing it safe here. I got the regular.
Playing it safe.
Yeah.
And Jennifer.
I got the light mild breast, and it comes with a little wing on there, and macaroni and cheese, and their sweet tea is awesome.
All right, light, mild. And I actually got the mild. I will tell you that the mild here, I have had the sandwich of Prince's Chicken at Assembly Food Hall, which we do have a video for that. I'll place a link in the description below. But I will tell you that their chicken is a little bit hotter than most. So going medium is actually probably going very hot at another restaurant. So let's dig in. While I still have my taste buds, I'm gonna go ahead and go in for the macaroni before going for the really hot stuff. So here we go. Look at all the pepper on that macaroni. I don't know if you can see that on camera there, but there's a lot of pepper in there. Good macaroni. It's creamy, and with the pepper in there, it kind of tastes like something you'd make at the house. I'm a fan. Look at this big, huge chicken breast quarter right here. Now, to tell you a little bit more about Prince's Hot Chicken, Prince's is the very first hot chicken that's been around here in Nashville. The founder, Thornton Prince, was actually believed to be a womanizer, and the girlfriend that he had at that time, as a punishment for breakfast, had made a hot concoction that consisted of garlic powder, cayenne, brown sugar, and chili powder. But much to his girlfriend's dismay, he actually enjoyed it and ended up using the recipe to create Prince's Hot Chicken. Look at that, guys. Nice juicy piece of chicken right there. Huge. Here we go. I will tell you, that is some hot chicken, even with the mild. It's got a good burn to it. You're gonna need to have a drink nearby. Like I said, this is the mild, and the mild, in my opinion, is more of like a hot at another restaurant. They have 7 different heat levels here at Prince's. I go for the mild, just simply because it is spicy, but it's so delicious. All right, Jennifer is gonna dig into her chicken here.
I got the light mild because I've never tried Prince's before. I love spicy stuff, but I didn't know kind of what their heat level was, so I figured that was a safe one, is the light mild. It looks like there's all kinds of good spices on there. You can see hot and juicy. So this looks like it's the kind of batter that I like. I like a light and crispy batter, crunchy but flavorful, so I can't wait to dig in. That is so good. There's so much flavor in there. As you can see, this wing came right off. That's how tender this meat is. So they fry it to perfection, not overdone. That chicken is just juicy as can be. It's flavorful all the way inside. And then that light crispy batter on the outside gives it that good spicy kick. I'm a fan. All right, I'm gonna try the macaroni. And I like to put black pepper on our macaroni too, so like Brent said, it looks like something we'd make at the house. That's really good. It's good and creamy, and you can tell that they made their own cheese sauce and everything. I love it.
Ginger, what do you think about the chicken here?
Playing it safe is definitely an excellent idea. You should not do that because it is burning if you try.
So it's hot without the sauce, huh? Wow. Gentry is the macaroni connoisseur. So Gentry, tell us how the macaroni is.
Very cheesy, and you can kind of see some peppers in it.
All right, guys, for dessert, we got a red velvet cake to share. Here is a close look at that red velvet cake. It's got like a perfect balance of the icing on top. You know, sometimes you get a red velvet cake and they pour the icing on top, or there's not enough. So let's see how it tastes. That cream cheese icing is so good. I want to get just a little bit of the red velvet cake because the cream cheese icing is so sweet. It kind of overpowers the rest of the red velvet. So here's a piece of just the red velvet. It's moist, sweet, delicious. I don't know how their other desserts stack up, but I would definitely get this to go. Even if you're too full, get this to go. This is incredible.
So one of my best friends, her mom makes an incredible, like, homemade from scratch red velvet cake. So I already know I like red velvet cake, but I can't wait to try this one. That's really good. It's really moist, and then you got that good red velvet cake, and it's not dry or anything at all. And then you got that cream cheese icing layer, and it's not too sweet. I don't like when stuff is like way too overpoweringly sweet, and this is a good combo.
And I feel like it extinguishes the heat from the chicken too.
It does. So definitely get you some cake here.
All right, Henry is now going in for a bite of the red velvet cake. How is it, Henry? He's going in for a second bite. He's speechless. All right, Gentry, tell us what you think about the red velvet cake.
This is probably one of my last bites.
Getting a little stuffed. Yay or nay?
Yay.
You like it? You thought you weren't going to, right? Final bill came out with 2 chicken breast quarter dinners, 2 kids meals, 4 mac and cheese, red velvet cake, and 2 fountain drinks. Came to $58.72 after tax and before tip. All right, everybody, that was Prince's Hot Chicken. Henry, what you think about Prince's Hot Chicken, buddy?
I liked the fried chicken and the fries and macaroni.
Awesome. Did you like the cake?
Yeah.
Cool. And Gentry.
If you're hungry here and you're so hungry, this is definitely going to fill you up.
All right, so you're a fan of the place? You said it was even spicy. The chicken was spicy, right?
Yeah.
Even though you got the original? All right. And Jennifer, what'd you think about Prince's Hot Chicken?
I really liked it. I liked that it wasn't greasy. It was like kind of like the spice was kind of like a rub almost, and that's the kind that I like. So I really enjoyed that, and it was just enough kick on that plain mild. So if you are a person who likes spicy food but you don't want to venture out to like the extra hot, that's a really good one to get. The macaroni was really good, and the sweet tea, awesome.
I will say that was some spicy chicken. Nashville hot chicken started right here at Prince's Hot Chicken, which is now world famous. It's been in business for almost 100 years. It is spicy. If you're not into hot, spicy food, I probably wouldn't come here. But if you do enjoy just a little bit of a kick with a lot of good flavor, this is a place to come right here in Nashville, Tennessee. I believe there's a few locations throughout Nashville, including Assembly Food Hall, which we do have a video of. There's a lot of hot chicken restaurants here in Nashville, but there's only one original Prince's Hot Chicken. And guys, we thank you so much for tagging along with us today. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, we'd be honored if you'd hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. And we sure do look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.